Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise in CapCut. So oftentimes when you took or shoot a video, there will be a background noise on it, like the video that I take in here. So you can remove the background noise only with one click by using CapCut. And here I'm going to show you how. First, after you add your videos into CapCut, you can just click here, click the video on the timeline and just swipe through the options here at the bottom until you find the reduce noise option. So click on this and you can just click on the circle to reducing the noise of your video like that. And now CapCut will reducing the noise. Click on a check icon when you're done, and that's it. So that's how you can remove the background noise in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.